So first, open up the Brave browser or Google Chrome, whatever you are using. So go ahead and type here Capcut, and go ahead and click on this first result and hit on this download button. And now it should download you the installer for your Windows, or if you are on Mac, it should download for you in Mac as well. So just go ahead and save this file and simply double click this application to install. Hit on yes. Now you can close the browser, and there you go. Capcut desktop installer is being running, and it's pretty fast. And there you go, guys. We have completed 100% of installation. Now it's testing the environment right now. And as you guys can see that your computer can run Capcut smoothly. So just hit and confirm. And now it should open up the project area. So let's create the project here. And now you guys can see the timeline of the Capcut. Now you can edit a video by dragging some video clips, and you can drag that video to timeline. Go ahead and import the video you wanted to. Alright, let's import this one and drag it. So you can pretty much see that it's working perfectly fine. So this is how you should be installing the Capcut in 2024.